Hey boys and girls, and welcome to writing. Yesterday we worked on going back into our story and writing dialogue, meaning adding words, people talking to our story. Now we're going to continue working on this exact same story today, and we're going to try and see if we can add a stronger ending, maybe some more detail in the last sentence. My last sentence says, "Last, we went back outside to play with the toys, and Tucker was in his crate." Now I'm thinking, what could I do to make this sentence more detailed? Know exactly and being able to picture exactly what we did at the end. Well, we went outside to play with toys. Well, that word toys is kind of like, okay, well, what toys did you play with outside, right? Could be a lot of different things. So what I did was I went over here to the side and I rewrote my sentence. I said, "Last we went back outside to play on our bikes and scooters." That kind of gives you a better idea. Oh yeah, I can picture all of you outside on your bikes and scooters. We did not have to worry about Tucker since he was in his crate. So I added two details. I added that we were on our bikes and scooters, and I added that we didn't have to worry. I put some more feeling and emotion into it. Where over here, I just said he was in his crate. I added we didn't have to worry. I added some more emotion so you could feel, okay, they were kind of relaxed and felt better about him being locked away. So what you're going to do today is I want you to look at your last sentence. And I want you to think about what are some things I could change to make the details stronger. Is there a word, like I have toys, is there a word that you could use or you could change and tell me exactly what it was? Like I have toys. Maybe you have the word that. A lot of times people use the word that, and it's like, well, what is that? So I want you to go back in your last sentence, and I want you to think about what is one or two things you could add to your ending to give me more detail, okay? Once you have done that, I want you to take a picture or show me very closely in the camera what you wrote at the ending. I want to see a picture or I want to see a video of exactly what you did in your notebook to change the ending to your writing, okay? So go ahead and get your writing notebook and turn to what we worked on yesterday and go ahead and be reading and thinking about what could I change in the ending of my story to give more detail. All right? I will see you back on Zoom. Go ahead and get started.